how you transition, how you elicit three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface is a fascinating phenomenon. So that's composing. In art, you also have composing. Composing is the creating of the piece. Congruity. Basically, you place two objects or two images or two concepts that are mutually exclusive and share no commonality whatsoever, side by side. There's a polarity, there's a dichotomy. Right? Each object or each image has its own distinctive characteristics. But there's a polarity, because juxtaposition is when you place side by side. Incongruity. Incongruity is incompatibility, when two things don't mesh together. Don't mesh together, you know. It's like ice cream and a cigarette lighter. So you see, that's not a polarity, and that's not a duality. That's a contrast. Contrast is based on stark differences. Polarity is when they go polar opposite ends of the stick, end of the spectrum. Duality has to do with rigid distinctions between two phenomena, right? But contrast is just stark difference. So when two things just seem different, contrast. So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context.